Okay, all are fine well. Okay, did you learn the last previous class topics? Did you learn about that? Then last class we are discussed with the place values, number names, words in figures, everything we are discussed. Okay. You learned that? Learn about that. Okay, are you ready with the study? Okay, my dear children, shall we begin the new class? Okay. Then the same chapter, we are continuing the same chapter. Then what is the last class? We discussed about the places of the 4-digit numbers. The same we are writing this is the expanded form of the given numbers. The numbers are given, you just write which is 1000, 100, tens and ones. Last week we already learned that. Okay, then what is the first number? 4208. 4208. We already studied the places of 4-digit number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. How many thousand of these? Say, how many thousand? 4000. How to read this number? Can you read this number? Can you read this number? Then read it. Okay, how to read 4208. Then what is the 1000? 4000. Then you can write 4000. Then open your notebook and write some numbers. Then you write the places of the givers, that numbers. How to write? Simply we can write take your pencil and write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. First you noted these places. Then we can write easily. 4000, write 4 here. 200, write 2 here. Okay. Then 0, tens. 0 is here. So we can write 0 is here. Understood? Then 8 ones. Then we are write 8 ones is here. Okay. In this way you can write. First of all you should study the places of 4-digit numbers. Okay. Then again the B question. 2578. 2578. Then first of all you take your pencil and write a symbol of places. First, ones, 8 ones, 7 tens, 5 hundreds, 2 thousands. So we can write easy. Okay, then 2000, write 2 here. 500, write 5 here. Okay, then 7 tens, write 7 here. 8 ones, write 8. Okay, then the numbers is given, you write the expanded forms. What is this? This is the expanded form of the given number. Understood? Then what is next? Expanded forms are given, you can write the numbers. You write it figures. Expanded form given, you write it figures. It means you write the numbers. 6000, 0 hundreds, 8 tens, 5 ones. Once again, 6000, 0 hundreds, 8 tens, 5 ones. All of you, how to write this? So numbers is given, you write the expanded form. This is what the expanded forms are given, you write in numbers. Understood? How to write? 6000, write 6 here. Okay, 0 hundreds, 0 hundreds. Next, 0 right here. Okay. 8 tens, write 8 here. 5 ones, write 5 here. What is the number? 6085. 6085. Understood? Then any places is missing, that place you put a 0. Okay, any places is missing here. Any places are missing here. So, we can put 0 that place. Example. Then 0 100 is not given. Only given 6000, 8 tens and 5 ones. 100 is missing here. We already know that the 4-digit number places is ones, tens, 100, 1000. 100 is not here. Then how to write here? Then so first you write 6 here. The 100 is missing here. It's not given. So that place you put what? Put 0. The places are not given. Any places is not given. That place you put what? 0. The 100 is not given, so we put 0 here. Then we are already write 100 is given. In the case any place is not given, that place you should put a 0. Understood? 6085. Next, 3000s, 900s, 710s, 2 1. Simply we can, all places are given. All places are given. So we can write what? 3, 9, 7, 2. Read this number. 3972. All places are given. So easily we can write, take the each numbers and write it. 3972. Okay, this is writing numbers is given, write the expanded form. This is expanded form is given, you write the standard form. Write the standard form means you write the numbers. Okay, understood this topic. So if you have any doubt, you ask me our class time. Okay, children. Now we are discussing the expanded form and standard form. The last question was 3000, 900s, 710s and 2 1s. What is the answer? The all places are given. All places are given. So we can write 3972. 3972. 3972. Then next one, some students are playing with the cards. The next, some students are playing with the cards. In a box, there so many cards are there. And what's the cards colors? Red color cards, green color cards, blue color cards, yellow color cards. So many cards are given. That box has so many colors cards. Okay. That students allotted that each colors have some points. That students allotted the each colors has each colors has points. The red cards has 1000. Red color 1000 point. Green 100 point. Blue 10 point. Yellow 1 point. We want to write the total point. Total point. Okay. First of all, what? Jisha. So Jisha collected some cards from the box. Jisha collected from some cards from that box. Okay. She got 3 red color cards, 2 green color cards, 0 blue color, 7 yellow color cards. Okay. This is also based on the places of the given numbers. We already learned. Ones, tens, 100,000 we already learned. Then 0 is not given, only blank. Okay, 1 dot is given. Not write 0. So only dot is given. Okay, then Jisha collected 3 red cards, 2 green cards and 0 blue cards. It's a dotted line. 7 yellow cards. What is the total point? This is how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 ones. 7. Yellow color 1 point. Then blue color 10 point. Green color 100 point. Then red color 1000 points. Okay, then Jisha got how many points? 3, 2, 1 dotted is here. So we can put 0. So we put a 0. Then 7. Now read this number. 3207. 3207. Next, Lily. Lily has collected some point, collected some cards. She got 4 red color cards. Then not write 0, only dotted. Then 2 dot. She didn't get a green card, didn't get a blue card, only get a yellow card. 9 yellow cards. How to write the number here? What's the total point got a Lily? Lily got 4 red color cards, then 0 green, 0 blue and 9 yellow. Okay, what get a 4, 0, 0, 9. Dotted is denoted by what? 0. So, 4, 0, 0, 9. What is this? 4009. How to read this number? 4009. Got it. Then next one, Nisha got some points. She got 7 red color cards, 3 green color cards, 2 blue color cards, 5 yellow color cards. Okay, then Nisha got how many points? 7, 3, 2, 5. Then Nisha got how many points? 7,325. 7,325. Got it? Then this is the values as arranged from our places. Ones, tens, 100,000. Then follow me how to write the 4-digit number. The dotted is denoted by 0. Okay, understood. Okay, any doubt about this? And you will ask our class time. Now we are discussing about the place value of the 4-digit numbers. Then look here, the 4-digit numbers is given 6,542. How to read this number? 6,542. In what all ways can we write this number? In what all ways can we write these numbers? We already studied the place values. Place value of the 4-digit number. What is the place value of 4-digit number? How to write them? 2 ones, 4 tens, 5 hundreds, 6 ones. There's so many ways are given. Different ways are given. There's a different ways are given. Then so we can write the one by one. Okay, first you check this. How to write this all places as given. 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. We already learned the place values of the 4-digit numbers is 4, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. How to write this? Then how to write? Then 6,000. We already learned that. Then 5 hundreds. Then 4 tens. 2 ones. Okay. This is what? This is only given hundreds and ones. How to write that? Only given hundreds and ones. Once you already know that 2 ones. Okay, 2 ones. Then how to write this? How to write? Then 2 ones, 4 tens, 500, 6,000. Then hundreds what? This is 100. 1,000, 100. Now how many 100? 6,500. What is 6,500? Then what is the next year? 42 ones. 6,500, 42 ones. Then how to write this? 6,500. We write 6,500s 20 plus 42 ones. 42. We can get what? We will get 6,542. Got it out right? Hundreds. This is 100 place. So we can write 6,542 ones. Understood? Okay. This what? Hundreds, tens, ones. We already wrote the hundreds here. 6,500s. How many tens? 4 tens. How many ones? 2 ones. Got it? Then next, only tens and ones given. Only tens and ones. Then here is the tens. So we can write 654 tens. So we can write this only given tens and 1. So we can write 654. 654. 654 tens. How many ones? 2 ones. Okay, first you understand how to arrange the places of the 4-digit number. So we can write these different ways. Okay, got it. Then 6,500s, 42 ones. Then this is all places is given. You put the all numbers. 6542. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now we are discussing the place values. Then all are understood the all topics of this today's class. So we'll wind up our class. Then We will continue the next class. Okay, bye children. See you later.